Good morning. I'll take you through the key global cues today. In fact, if you look at the Asian stocks, well, the stocks in Asia fluctuated at the open on Monday, with investors weighing the pace of economic recovery against more potent COVID-19 strains and central bank mulling stimulus reductions. Australia dipped amid stricter curbs to stem the spread of the more potent Delta COVID-19 variant. And if you look at the cryptocurrencies, well, the cryptocurrencies will be closely watched after the UK restricted an affiliate of crypto exchange Binance from doing business in the country. Bitcoin rose for a second day, trading in the midst of around $30,000 range in Asian morning on Monday. Australian markets were down close to around 0.3%, while Kospi was up slightly, just around 0.1%. Nikkei was down nearly around 0.1%. So it's kind of a mixed kind of a trading, quite a lot of fluctuations early morning. If you look at the US markets, well, the S&P 500 ended the week at record high on Friday, lifted by Nike and several banks. Nike surged close to around 15.4% to an all-time high after the sneaker maker forecast for the fiscal full year sales was ahead of the Wall Street estimates. Bank of America climbed 1.9% and Wells Fargo rallied 2.7% after the Fed announced big banks have cleared stress test and will no longer face pandemic-related restrictions on buying back stock and paying dividends. A weaker than expected reading on latest US personal consumption expenditures data eased worries about a sudden tapering in stimulus. The yield on the 10-year Treasury was up 3 bips at 1.5%. Dow was up 0.7% at 34,433, while the S&P was up 0.3%. Nasdaq, however, was flat. In Europe, well, the European shares stayed just below the record highs on Friday, with a boost from the financial and material sectors, while Credit Suisse rose after a Reuters report that it was considering a potential merger with UBS. The European Central Bank has reiterated that it was too soon to taper monetary policy in Europe, while on Thursday the Bank of England struck a dovish tone to policy, even as it acknowledged inflation would surpass its 2% target. DAX was up 0.12%, while CAC was down at a similar level of 0.12%. FTSE was up close to around 0.4% in trade. If you look at the oil prices, well, the WTI crude did rise 0.9% to $73.98 a barrel, just fairly close to the $74 a barrel. And if you look at the gold futures, well, the gold futures were flat at $1777 an ounce. Thank you for watching.